is that I became very worried. I was thinking if maybe there was complication or something with the abortion. Because my wife and my children are back in the house. How did it go?
It was successful.
Thank God.
The doctor said I should stay away from domestic work, that I need to rest a lot. I don't know how that will be possible with your wife.
Come on, that is not a problem. The important thing is that the unwanted pregnancy has been removed. Leave my wife, I will handle my wife. Let's go.
Leave me!
What?
I doubt if I'll ever forgive you for luring me into this kind of sin.
Esther, are we going to stand here in the middle of the road and be talking about sin? What is sin in this? Because we are playing? Listen to me. I'm your uncle. You are my niece. Forget what happens. I want the best for you. I will always be there for you. Let's go.
Leave me!
I want the best for you. Thank God.
What is the matter with her? Is she involved in a motor accident?
Olushi, we have to be very, very grateful to God at the end like this. If not by the grace of God, this sister you are seeing here would have been in a mortuary by now. I'm telling you.
So what happened to her?
She fainted along the road as she was coming back from the errand I sent her earlier in the day. Some good men of Amago saw her where she fainted and they took her to the hospital. And they came here and they called me. I went to see the doctor. And the man told me that Esther is suffering from one sickness that this long medical sickness that I can't even pronounce the name. I can't even remember the name, but it's very long. I don't need to bother myself. The final thing that the man said is that Esther has been working too much, has been working herself to the bone, that she must be allowed to rest. That's why I brought her back. Let her just continue to rest. If rest is the problem, she can get enough of it in this house.
If that is the case, let Esther at least prepare her own food.
Olushi, why are you like this? Why are you such wicked? I just told you that somebody needs medical attention and they say it's only rest. They didn't say bring money, just rest. They say the person should cook her own food. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? You were sick before and people were cooking for you. You have to be very careful how you treat people because you never can tell where you will be tomorrow. Oluchi.
Timothy, I am sorry, but I have this feeling that Esther is lying. And I'm not prepared to allow her to make a fool of me.
Nobody's making a fool of you. You're the one that is making a fool of yourself. By being very wicked. Somebody that is sick is the person that is going to cook her own food and you are there in the house. Why are you like this?
Timothy, if the doctor says that Esther needs to rest, let Esther rest. At least after resting, she'll go to the kitchen and prepare her own food. Am I the cook? I'm not her cook. Let her cook her own food.
Osilora. Clap for yourself, Osilora. What you say your name is Oluchi? You say your name is Oluchi? You are a Christian. You are a church goer. Somebody is sick now. Somebody is down. And the person needs attention. Needs to rest. And you can't provide the rest. The person should go and cook her own food. What are you even cooking? Is it this thing you're cooking that we are managing? Now say Obuluchi, cool the joker. Listen to me. All the man saying, well, I can see here. If you can't cook for her, I cook for her myself.
Say Kolibe.
Look up.
Doctor, rest. She needs to rest.